Hello everyone. Let us now discuss today's LeetCode POTD problem. So the question number 2554. Maximum number of integers to choose from a range 1. So in the question we are given with an integer array band. So and we are given with two integers n and maximum sum. So the condition is we need to consider the integers from the range 1 to n, and then there are this is the first condition, and the second condition is each integer can be chosen only once, and the third condition is chosen integer should not be in band array, and the fourth condition is the sum should not exceed maximum sum. So the first condition is 1 to n. So we will be iterating from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So this is our first observation. And the second is each integer can be chosen only once. That means if you have chosen 2, we should not choose this 2 again. That means we should go forward and we should not come backward and choose the same element once again, and choose an integer should not be in band. Let us see an example to understand. Let us see 1 3 are present in the band array. Now the range which we are given with is 5. That means we need to check till here 1 to 5. So 1 and 3 cannot be selected here. So we can select 2, 4 and 5, and we are also given with maximum sum. So let us go with an example firstly. In the first example, we are given with band array 1 6 5 and n is equal to 5 and maximum sum is equal to 6. So in this case, let us see from 1 to n firstly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the range. Now we need to take 1 if and only if it is not present in band, and if you take it should not exceed the maximum sum. So we will be iterating and storing the maximum sum, storing the sum. Now initially sum will be 0, and let us check is 1 present in the band. So here in the first element it is present, so we will not be taking 1. Now we got to 2. 2, let us check 2 is present or not in the band array. 1 6 5, no, we didn't find 2 in the band array, so sum will be 2 here. Now let's go to 3. Is 3 present in band array? No. Let us add that here 5, and the number of times you are incrementing the sum will be initializing count with 0, and if there is if we are incrementing the sum, then we need to increment count by 1. And now 2, let us see. Now 4, if you add 4 to the sum, it will exceed maximum sum. But firstly we need to see whether it is present in band array. No, it is not present, so it is a valid integer. Now if you add this to this sum, the sum will become 9, which is greater than 6. So we should not get the sum greater than the maximum sum, so we will not be taking this. And then let us look at 5. Now 5, Let us see whether it is present in band array. Yes, it is present. So we should not take this. Now, you can say that 2 and 4 would be equal to sum of 6, which is equal to maximum sum. But here we are not asked for maximum sum. We are just asked with maximum elements. So now let us consider another example given in the description. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are given in band array. Now n is equal to 8 and the maximum sum given is 1. If you start from 1, 2, 3 and so on to 8, and here we are having all these 1 to 7 elements in the band array, and if you even take 8, it will be exceeding maximum sum, so we will be returning output as 0. I think you got the intuition and understood the examples. Now let us understand the algorithm for this code. Now the algorithm goes like, as I said, we will be having a count to return and the sum up to now, and then we'll be storing all this band array in a set. Now the use of this set is store all band elements in it, and then we will be iterating from 1 to n less than or equal to n, and then if let us take an index I and iterate from 1 to n, and if I is not present in set and adding I to this sum will not exceed the maximum sum, then in this case we'll be adding I to the sum and then incrementing our count as I said previously, and after the iteration we will be returning our count and you will be getting the code. Thank you.